Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, we're going for a drive in this 2018 Lexus GS350 F Sport. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 311 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Lexus GS is a very nice car. They're very reliable and they're very comfortable daily drivers. Big sedan, and you have the bigger screen in this one, and you have this little mouse pad thing to control it. You have the cool F Sport gauge cluster, Eco, Normal, Sport, Sport Plus. We're going to be driving in Sport Plus. I like the stitching on the shift knob. Use your reverse camera. I like this little handrest too. Red interior, and you have some interesting trim. You also have heated and ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel over there, paddle shifters, perforated leather, F Sport badge down here, and a nice sunroof. Rear seats look pretty comfy as well and pretty spacious. And yeah, I mean, as I said, like these are really good cars. This one has 100,000 miles on it. It seems to be in excellent condition, and I'm sure it was very reliable for the previous owner this whole time they had it. I also need to get a video on the GSF. That's a really nice car too, but it's really hard to find those. But let's walk around this car. Even this car, these are not very easy to access either. F Sport badge on the side, interesting looking wheels, spindle grille, and the signature Lexus daytime running lights. Paint looks to be in really good condition for a 100,000 mile car. Rear seats. And you have the F Sport tail lights. Looks nice. F Sport badge back there. Let's look at the trunk. I can pop it open. There it is. Looks to be pretty spacious. Let's get this car out on the road and see how it drives. I love the Lexus F Sport gauge cluster. It looks so cool, regardless of which Lexus it's in. Like, this gauge cluster is aged very well. Lexus has the F Sport gauge cluster is one of the best gauge clusters in the industry. While this infotainment is not good at all, at least the gauge cluster has held up very well. Steering feels nice, seats feel comfortable. The thing with the Lexus GS is that it just feels very well, it just feels very solid, feels very robust, feels well made. That's how a lot of Lexuses feel actually, but the GS is a very nice sedan. Nice. That sounds good. And yeah, in a lot of these Lexus videos I made, people always comment, one thing I didn't know, if you put it in manual mode, the gear shifts are better and the car is sportier. So we'll drive in manual mode. Yeah, the engine sounds great. This car feels really, really good to drive. Like, the GS is just a very classy sedan. Nice, very nice. I made a lot of video on Lexus F Sport models recently, so you guys can check those out. IS 500, TX 500 HF Sport, RCF, and I'm excited that I was able to get a video on this one too. But man, do I need to get my hands on a GSF. And the steering is so nice. It feels so well weighted. Nice. Let's just put it back in the normal mode now, or regular sport mode. Yeah, so there you go. You have to go to the left. Okay, if you go all the way to the left, it'll put you in eco mode. You have to press down for normal, and then if you turn it to the right, it'll put you in sport. Like, there's no way you'd be able to tell that if you drove like this car with 100,000 miles. There's no way you'd be able to tell. It drives so well. This one was very well taken care of. It's pretty evident. It looks really, really good. This is a great car. But overall, very nice Lexus GS 350 F Sport. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice vehicles like this Lexus.